The fourth thing we'd like to talk about is appreciation. Does solar add value to your home? And a simple answer, yes, it has to. You can't put an asset on your roof that's lowering your lifetime cost of power without increasing the value of that. As consumers looking at homes, especially moving from neighboring states like California, Oregon, Washington, Colorado, they're willing to pay more money for a home that they know they're walking into no electricity bill. It's just that simple. Now, a lot of people want to debate this and say that this appraiser's not giving it and this one is. At the end of the day, we have over 40 customers in our 9-year history that have sold their homes. Now, they probably didn't plan on selling their homes. Things happen, jobs relocate, financial situations change. People have to sell their homes sometimes. And we know that consumers, and in general, have a 5 to 7 year cycle where they're going to move or build or go to somewhere different. So this is something that's a very widely discussed topic in our industry, especially here locally. But what we've seen through those and me selling a personal home has been roughly nearly dollar for dollar value within the first 3 to 5 years of that system life. Now, obviously clear out at 10, 12 years into the system life, a client can't expect to get full value out of a system. Is they're going to degrade it based on the system's life. And that's just an obvious point that I think we don't really have to spend much time on. So yes, it will add value. The other very unique thing, however, is although it will increase the value on your appraisal of your home, it is federally and state of Idaho tax exempt from property tax assessment. So even though you can add value to your appraisal, they are not allowed to come out and assess you for a higher property tax rate. So that's a very unique thing in any investment, to be able to have that shelter where you can get added value without being taxed on that added value. So from an appreciation standpoint, solar absolutely checks the box. If you want more information on that, happy to dig in with you on our next video. Thanks for tuning in, guys.